Hey guys, Cheri here from The Watery Mouth. I have a really quick, super nutritarian, eat to live, high nutrient, wonderful plant-based whole food breakfast for you. This is what I've been having lately for breakfast because it's less than 5 minutes to make. It's so portable, you can take it with you anywhere. The way that I show it is by microwaving it, but you can feel free to let it, just the berries, let them thaw or use fresh berries. Just do this as overnight oats if you want instead, but I just love this because I didn't even have to think ahead to make it. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, side note, there's a 21-day challenge coming up. 21-day eat to live, high nutrient, whole foods, plant-based challenge coming up. We're all gonna join in. There's always hundreds of people that join every time I do one of these. It's recipes, groceries, grocery lists, meal plans, all that really good stuff to keep you on track for at least 3 weeks, all together at the same time. So make sure you sign up if you're interested, wateringmouth.com/challenge, and I'll see you in the next challenge. All right, here we go. Make sure to download the full recipe by signing up for the cheat sheets at thewateringmouth.com/cheat sheets. Guys, this recipe couldn't be simpler. Take a microwave safe bowl, add 1/3 cup of raw rolled oats. When I make oatmeal bowls, to keep them kind of low on calories and high on nutrients, I use about 1/3 cup raw or 1/2 cup cooked. I had run out of freshly ground flaxseed too, so here I am just grinding up some flaxseed, something I do on about a weekly basis with my little KitchenAid coffee grinder here. I just grind it up and then store it in a little Tupperware in the fridge to pull out whenever I need some. Here you can add an optional bit of like raw cacao powder or toasted carob powder. My favorite is carob. And then about a tablespoon of chia seeds, same amount of hemp seeds, and then raisins, and mix it all up. From here, I add some fruit to sort of extend it a little bit, give me some more food. I'm doing, and then I also get my berries in for my G-bomb. So I add about a cup of frozen blueberries, or you can use any kind of frozen berry that you like, and then add unsweetened non-dairy milk and stir it up. You can also optionally add a half or a whole ripe banana for extra sweetness if you like, but I just kept it really, really simple today. Now you have a choice of either microwaving it like I do for about 2 minutes to take the chill off, or you can leave this overnight to soak, or you can just do nothing and eat it right as is. Totally versatile and super yum and so easy. This is almost as fast as pouring yourself a bowl of cereal, so you really have no excuse not to have whole foods for breakfast, guys. And I like to have a glass of water after, since I find oatmeal doesn't really have the super staying power of my regular smoothies do, but I love having this type of a meal to change things up a bit. Wasn't that easy? So simple. This is what I've been eating almost every day lately. Hope you love it. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you have any variations on this that you would like to try? Put the banana in if you want a little bit more sweetness, but for me, I just didn't even want to bother opening up a banana. This way I can just dump things, go, be done with it. Hope you like it. If you love these videos, check me out on Patreon, where you can get some exclusive content about this lifestyle as well, and support me a little bit on a monthly basis. Even $1 or $2 goes a long way. Thank you so much to my current patrons. I love you guys. Mwah. All right, there is a challenge coming up, you guys. 21-day challenge, eat to live, healthy, whole foods, plant-based challenge coming up for anyone that wants to join in these. I have hundreds of people that join every time we do them. Make sure you sign up at thewateringmouth.com/challenge, and I will notify you when it is going to be open for registration. I hope you join. It's recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, all that kind of stuff, and I hope to see you in it really soon. All right, have a good one. See you in the next video. Bye.